Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how you can solve the Play Store problem in your device Samsung M53 and M53 5G. So if in this device, your Play Store is not working, like it's not downloading the apps or not working, you can easily solve this by the methods as I will show you in this video. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Play Store issue in your device. Let's watch it.